All right. We are live. Disclaimer here. Day trading is risky. My results are not typical. The typical result of an average trader is to lose money. Keep in mind that you're accountable for your own decisions. And there is no guarantee that this video or any of my content will improve your trading or make you profitable. That being said, let's jump into today's session. I've taken one pre-market trade down 79 on BRTX just now right here on this pullback of 4. Got in at 397 and got out on the flush at 390. So watching ONCS at the open as well. Pre-market watch list, I have ONCS, BRTX, CDIO from yesterday, MTC, ATXI potentially over VWAP. That's pretty much it. Good morning, Ed. ONCS having that curl above VWAP at the open. 584 on that last candle. Morning, Clive. Morning, Mike. Okay. Morning, Lays. How's everyone doing this morning? Got ourselves a fine Thursday? Today's Thursday? Today's Thursday. Thursday morning. Morning, Momo. Alright, so we'll see what's gonna happen at the open here. Be watching both of these at the open. Switch our time and force back today. And we'll be getting ready here. ONCS. High of 95 pre-market. And yesterday's high was 65, so as long as we hold yesterday's high, it looks pretty good. 30 seconds till open here. BRTX looks like it's not holding. View up for now. Just broke back below it. ONCS, there's a little mini flush there. False break it on the 1 minute. We'll see how the first candle opens. Okay, watching ONCS here. Maybe a dip down to 70. There goes 84, 85. 89. Waiting for this to calm down just a little bit before I make my entry. 67, that's the low there. "15 seconds till the opening candle closes. CDIO's candle is fading at the open. Watching break of 4 on BRTX. And here 94, watching break of 4. BRTX. Watching this break of 4. There's 95. 6. Watching for 7, 8. Big seller at 90. Gotta get out at 85. Morning, trader community. Alright, let's see. Is there anything else that I'm missing? Oh, everything's kind of pulling back right now at the open, as far as I can see. So I'll wait for a second. ONCS might be a good dip around 60. This candle had a low of 61. Low of these candles were 60, 58, 57. So far, everything's just pulling back. We'll see if there's anything that starts going. We'll make sure we grab it once we see it. Okay. Low of this candle, 57. It's bouncing off that support. Side dude called out. Watching over 99 for break of 1. Watching that 99 area. Might have sized too heavy for our first trade. Yeah, definitely did. At 99, but nope, followed through. High pre-market was 99.50. Now it has to be cut. That sucks. That's on me. Look at that, all the way down to 92. but we do have ONCS popping up. Seller at 78. CDIO is also popping up. A halt level at CDIO is 811. So watching 790 for break of 8. 811 is the halt up. Watching 8 break. Watching 8 break here for 811. Seller at 8 thinned out. Watching 8 break. Watching 8. Want to see increase in green volume through 8. There's 98, watching 8. $95, $97. Watching that break of 8. There's 8, there's 810, 815. Watching 836 is now the new halt level. Watching 820. 820. There's 30. High day 73. So watching 36 for the halt. Moved up to 50. High of 30 on this candle. Hollow moved up to 50. Adding at 26. Move through 30, 35. There's 40. Watching 850 here. Taking some more off at 45. Watching 50. We tapped it. Let's see if we can hold. And out the rest at 803 for a small loss. $280 on ONCS. We don't like that. We hit 78, then flushed to 70. So a lot of these setups today are subpar, which aren't great. There's 77 on ONCS, watching that seller at 78 break. Watching 80. Out at 84 on ONCS. Back in for break of 85 and at 83. There's 86, watch 7. There's 89, out at 89. Watch 90, and 95's high a day. Watching 90 break for high a day at 95. Cutting at 76, terrible. Got the bottom of that candle. Had profit, gave it away. In on the dip on CDIO, watching back over 65, 70, 67, out at 61. There's 72. So ONCS, 90 is the key level right now for a break of 95 and then 3. Let's see if it pulls back here. There's 82 on the bids. '81, '80. '75 for the low there. So possibly a curl through VWAP and VRTX. VWAP's at 380. And at 69, VRTX, watching this through 75 and 80. Unless it just wants to give out right away, which this looks like it does, out at 57. That sucks. CS down to 70 after hitting 90 again. So it really just does not want, nothing wants to go right now, which is totally fine. But it leaves us with nothing to trade. So we'll see if things pick up in like 15 minutes. Lots of selling going on in ONCS. BRTX 85. Back down to 70. False break of VWAP. That's done for the day probably. Back over 80. Wait. 390. Okay, in it for the break of 4. Watching 4. It held up. Watching 4. Watching that 4 break. Okay, there's 88, 90. There's 407, 415. We're sitting at 410. It's not going to get back over 4. $92. Damn it. Damn it. Out at 75. I would have thought with the false break of VWAP back down to 360 and then breaking back above it, 390 and 4, I would have thought that we would have held that breakout because it was going to trap bears there, and then they should have gotten out on that break of 410. This is not exactly ideal. The start to March is not exactly ideal. I haven't had 2 red days in a row since the beginning of January. There's 93, 95, high a day break on ONCS, just broke, 96, but it's back down to 70. Buying a dip here, 71, watching 80, out at 76. Everything's false breaking today, which just sets the mood for shorts to be aggressive. The more things that false break out, the more times that shorts get more confident holding their positions. 5 on SI. I'm looking for a dead cat bounce through 69. That's where it opened. 69. There's 75, 76. Can we get moved through 80 here? There's 78, 79 on the ass. There's 80. Watching 80, out at 79. There's 70, 85. Taking half off at 85. Watching 90. 90, 94, 95. Rest out at 83. There's 95, 96. 8, broke 8 there. 801. Watch a micro pullback. Trying to watch for a micro pullback. Break even trade there. In at 99. Seller at 95. At 95. Okay, back in. If it holds over 8. Watching 810. And at 802. Watching 804. Sellers at 804. There's 810. 12. Trying to take off half at 812. There we go. Watching 813, 815. 808 on the ask. Popping out at 804. Hello, Vin Gamer. Okay, 820. This is just a dead cat bounce setup. It's down 40%. Probably off news. But the second this thing starts reversing, we're just gonna probably get out. 820, 830. Seller at 25, getting bought up. Watching 30, there's 33. And at 24, watching 33. Seller at 28. Hopping back out at 24. And there it goes, without me. Morning, Dolce. There's 840. Now it's getting a little bit too extended. 850 though. Watching 850 break. Buyer at 40. Need to get back over 30 there. It's not. Taking a loss on it. Basically didn't make anything on it because of the I there really is nothing good today. Watching break over 54 on TRKA. Looking to build a position here around 53. I don't mind holding this in the red for a little bit. Hit 85 there on TRKA. There are some big orders going through. Okay, watching break of 84. Or 54. Big seller at 54 does a break. That's not going. This one's not going. I'm gonna go ahead and call it here. As soon as this trade looks like it's about to close. I'm just gonna close it here at 19. Alright, closing the day here, 1.3 down. Yeah, BRTX, I see it crossing view up again, I just don't trust it. It screwed with me twice already, so that's as much as that's as many times as I'm going to allow it to do that. I'm just gonna end the day down here, down 1.3. This will be my second red day in a row. It hasn't happened since beginning of January. So it's been a while, but we'll make it back. And on the week we are, let's see, yesterday 1.6, yeah, today 1.3, it's 3,000. I believe we're still green on the week, honestly. So tomorrow, we'll just aim for a small green day. It's just unfortunate, the start of March going like this. I had such big plans for March. Alright, well take care guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we get some hopefully the bulls start taking control again, because I do not want to trade all this chop again tomorrow morning. Alright, take care.